My name is Abdihakim Ainte. I'm the Director of Climate Change and Food Security in the Office of the Prime Minister of Somalia. In 2021, Somalia was part of the UN food system, and after that summit, we've embarked on the implementation of the food systems in the country, and we've done quite a number of initial steps. Number one, doing the quick assessment and trying to identify how does the food system landscape looks like and what are the gaps and the priorities. Currently, we are on a good trajectory with regard to the food systems. We've introduced the pathway systems. I mean, all the member states and the national government in Mogadishu, all of them, they have integrated the food system policies in their plan. So we have a well coherent and a coordinated framework in place. Somalia is a very difficult and unique country. We are facing a very protracted crisis that has been, existence for the last 30 years. So our situation is that we present with quite an interlocking challenges of a climate, conflict, fragility, migration, so on and so forth. All these are the existential challenges that are posing a threat to our social fabric, sometimes even our political fabric. But there are challenges that we have been coping with, and we have coped it very well. We have built a very robust and extraordinary resilience in our society. So now we're taking decisions and response in our hand, but also our policymakers are also taking some bold and affecting on the policymaking aspect in the country. We've been the second most vulnerable country when it comes to climate, vulnerability, because of our capacity to confront and withstand climate are so low and so pernicious. But as I said, as we grow, we are building our institutions. We're building institutions that are capable enough to respond. I can give you an example now. One of the leading government agencies called SODMA, Somali Disaster Management Agency. They are now at the forefront in responding all type of crisis, providing the first-hand response to people who are affected climate. So the government introduced what is now called the Council on Climate Change, Nutrition and Food Security. It's the highest political body, and it sits within the office of the Prime Minister. Actually, the Prime Minister chairs that council, and it's a council that brings together over 13 ministries as members, and they are part of the national dialogue and conversation around food systems, climate, nutrition, these three nexus that are having a toll impact on us. So they meet very quarterly, where they just discuss about what are the priorities, what are the gaps, what are the financial requirements. Ultimately, we have a shared challenges, whether in the federal member state, the subnational, or the national. And that challenge is building a strong, resilient country. And how you build that, you need to bring all actors on board. So the council is very effective. So it's a journey, it's a national conversation that we are embarking on.